Why mindful tech use matters for sleep.
The evening screen habits can greatly affect how well you sleep. Bright screens and endless scrolling can overstimulate your brain and delay your ability to unwind. Being intentional about how you use technology before bed helps signal your body and mind that it's time to rest, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed.
Set a gentle tech curfew.
Choose a consistent time each night to put away phones, tablets, and laptops, ideally at least 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Let others know about your tech curfew, and use it as a daily ritual to signal that you're winding down. This creates a clear boundary between your active day and your restful night.
Create a calming digital wind down.
Before your tech curfew, switch to relaxing activities on your devices. Try playing soothing music, using a guided meditation app, or reading a calming article instead of scrolling social media. Set your screen brightness low and activate night mode or blue light filters to further support a sense of calm.
Replace screens with mindful rituals.
After you put devices away, fill your evening with screen-free mindful activities. Consider light stretching, gentle breathing exercises, journaling, or reading a paperback book. These habits help ease the mind, reduce stimulation, and promote a smoother transition into restful sleep.
Consistency brings results.
Sticking to these mindful tech routines before bed signals your body it's time to unwind. Over time, you'll likely notice improved sleep quality, less restlessness, and a greater sense of relaxation. Small, intentional changes can make evenings more peaceful and your sleep more restorative.